Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we tackle a common question: how to send a copy of a Google Doc instead of the original document itself. It may seem simple, but there is a key difference between sharing and copying in Google Docs. Sharing allows others to see and potentially edit your original document, while copying creates an entirely new document that they can freely modify. So, to get started, first open the Google Docs app on your device, and of course, make sure you are connected to the app. By opening the application on the home page, you can see your documents that you have compiled so far. To send a copy of a document, you have to select the document you want to send, actually a copy of it. And it will do this by clicking on the three dots on the document. By opening a new page, look for the Send a Copy option in the drop-down menu. Click on it. Then, on the new page, you can choose the form in which you want to send a copy of the document. Select the one you want and click OK. And then, also on the new page, select the application through which you want to send a copy of the document. And that's it. The next time you want to share your Google Doc without giving edit access to the original, don't forget to make a copy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs hacks for effective sharing and collaboration.